Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to install and configure the Live Users plugin. Now this will give you real-time stats in your live viewer in your UPHP tube. So I've already downloaded the file, so let's just go into the plugin section. You do have to be logged in, as I am here, to do this. And I'm going to upload the plugin. As usual, I'm going to just drag and drop. So here I have the file, and I'll just bring it over here and drop it. Then I can click this upload, and in no time at all that's uploaded. So now I can close that window, and I'm going to look in here for the live users, and here we have it here. So firstly we need to turn it on. Then we can look at the parameters that may need editing. And the only one here is to turn the counter off if you don't want it displayed. But I'm going to leave that on. And I'll just save the changes. And then the other thing we need to do is click here for Install Tables. That will run a database script which will update your MySQL database. So I've now done that. So that is now done. So what I think I may try and do is just run a little live so that you can see what it looks like. So let me just pause this video for now while I get everything set up. Okay, so I don't really even need to go live, but so you can see in here, normally it would just say offline if you were offline, but this shows, see, watching now and total views. So this is what will update depending on how many people are watching your live and also what the total views are. So hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you in another video really soon. Thanks and bye for now.